Hello traders. In this video I will share expert advisors that can generate profits of up to 3,543%. I will explain in detail in this video. Keep watching this video until the end and don't skip it so you can get all the information that I will share. The details of this video are as follows. If you are new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and of course it's free. You will get a free expert advisor along with the reasons when I upload the video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can find out every time I upload a video. One. Recommendations for the use of expert advisors. You can visit the HG Trade website. The link is in the description column. And look for expert advisor Greezly Bot Pro. Here I have explained a few things about this expert advisor. This expert advisor works optimally on the euro to US dollar pair. Running on the time frame M1 to M15. You can observe which time frame is right for you. Use a minimum capital of $1,500 for 0.01 lots. Or you can use a cent account first. Because this expert advisor will pass a drawdown of at least up to 25%. Using adequate capital. For the best broker recommendations, I have listed some broker recommendations. If you are interested, you can register via the link that I have provided in the video description. 2. Profit results 3,543%. Even though the capital recommendation is $1,500, here the developer has tested with a small capital of $100. And was able to keep going, making a profit of $3,526 or about 3,542.81%. With a 25.5% drawdown. The trading activity value is also quite high. Meaning you won't get bored waiting for the expert advisor to open a transaction. Every day it is possible that the expert advisor will open a transaction. Growth information. From this information we can see the total profits that have been obtained from 2021 until now. Very good profit growth. Trading history information. The pair used is only euro to US dollar. With 0.01 lot per transaction and take profit of 50 US cents per transaction. Statistical information. Total trading 4,125 transactions with a profit of 3,222 transactions or around a profit ratio of 78%. Standard profit factor at 1.89. Consecutive loss of 8 trades with a loss of up to $210 US. And win consecutively up to 34 transactions. Average trading every week up to 66 transactions with an average transaction time of 5 hours. Risk information. The biggest drawdown is $268 US. Therefore you must use capital of at least $1,000 so that you can get through every drawdown that occurs. Three. Download and setting expert advisor in MT4. To get this expert advisor is very easy. I still give this expert advisor for free. Press the download button and you can run this expert advisor on your MetaTrader. This is how the Greezly Bot Pro expert advisor looks when running. The setting that I changed was only in the step parameter. I changed it to 300. And this is the terminal version I'm using. Okay, that's the video about expert Greezly Bot Pro reviews. I suggest you to try it first on a demo account for at least 1 month. So you will know how to work from this expert advisor. I hope one day you can be financially successful. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking subscribe, clicking like and sharing. Thank you.